What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist. Welcome to Spy Weekly. Today is August 4, 2024, Sunday, local time, 9:23 p.m. All right. I will be analyzing Spy for this week. If you do like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the chartist. You can also follow me on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. This is my X account. That's me. I have been posting trades here, and whatever useful information is required, I have been sharing it here. Let's start the analysis really quick. So, what I will be discussing in today's analysis is I will be telling you what my expectation is. Then I will be sharing special levels if there are any. That's what I will be doing, and I will look into the momentum as well. Okay, let's start the analysis. Firstly, I will tell you that you should wait for further price action. If you can see on the charts here, demands even on weekly. I'm on weekly charts, by the way. So demands are breaking and supplies are working. Demands are breaking, supplies are working. New supply formed, and this supply is actually hitting this demand. Okay, this demand and this supply and this demand. Now look at the volume here. I don't trade volume, but I'm showing you. Look at the volume bar at the bottom. Okay, volume is going up, but with the volume going up, the body of the candle is coming down. Okay, which is giving you a sign that okay, there could be selling. Okay, I do not trade, I don't believe in trading all this. Don't go on the color of the volume bars, it doesn't matter, you can change it, but I'm showing you that volume is going up and then spread of the candle is continuously coming down. Okay, it was closed here last week and last week, and then this last week it closed here and the volume is going up. Anyways, let's come back here on price action. So where are the trades? Long trades. Okay, first of all, you should wait because I need to see some supplies being broken, and I want buyers to hold those levels. Okay, I don't want that this supply it touches and come down, or it goes up and doesn't hold and there is a wick above this and then it comes down. No, I want proper holding of buyers above supply zones. Now if you try to read these candles, what is happening here is, look at this candle, green candle. After that, you read the data here. Price almost opened and closed at the same level. Okay, for the whole week. So it goes up, down, and then it closes at the same week. So you're losing money here as well because most of your trading options. Now look at this candle. Look at the data here. So this candle opened up here because it's a red candle. It goes down, and when it is going down, this is the weekly chart, by the way. So it was red during the week. Do you understand this? It made a low of 518, opened at 530, so $12 down, because this is a weekly chart. Okay, it came down and then it buyers stepped in and pushed the prices up, and after that again it opens this. Look at this candle. Now this opens up here, comes down, boom, up, and then price started going up. Okay, this is how this imbalance was created. So what I'm trying to tell you here is, this candle this candle had sellers coming in, but then somebody pushed it up because look at the buying pressure that came in. From 518 it was pushed up to 528, 527. So almost $9-10 move up. Almost $9-10, $8-9 were pushed up. So buyers stepped in, and after that they never looked back. They started going up, and they became aggressive and took price to all time high. Now this is a demand zone, you cannot deny that. This demand zone has been breached, you cannot deny that as well. So your job is, there was no good level in this because everything was tested. Now in this there is again no good level here. Okay, but the whole point here is, this candle has something. For 1 is to 2, I'm not saying hold continuously. Take 1 is to 2s whenever you're trading. Always trade with risk reward ratio. So for every dollar you're risking, you should at least make $2, and there should be a stop loss level. So I am assuming that we can trade somewhere here. Again, the trend will be down. Trend is gone sideways on weekly. Okay, trend is sideways on weekly, and on daily it is down. So you need to understand that trend, you're going trying to take long trades when trend is down on daily, and sideways trend is changing on weekly as well. So it's a major sign. You should be aware of everything that is happening in the market. Now what to expect? Let me turn on the drawings. this is a weekly demand zone, and then I am expecting price can definitely come here. And if it comes here, put a stop loss here and then trade it. Okay, then trade it. Do not trade it blindly. Now, why am I just pushing the entry here? Simple. I'm telling you. I have explained the importance of this candle. Buyers stepped in. Now understand what has happened here is this rally from here, from the low of, look on the right side, from 519 to 563, there is a rally. Okay, the a rally has happened on weekly and monthly as well, because price did travel here. Now price coming back and then going all the way up to all time high. So the whole point here is for this rally, at least this move, this is the origin. If I go on daily, it would be better. So I'm talking about 520s, right? So I'm talking about this level only. So price comes back and then goes up. Price comes back and then goes up. But again, price came back here also. I'm showing you here also, breached. So the whole point is this is the origin for this rally, because here price never turned properly. Here price turned properly, comes down here, and we do see the weekly candle also very, very powerful here. Okay, I'm talking about here, there is nothing here, but here you do see price coming down. So this candle was red, and during the week, and then it was pushed up. So you need to read candles like that. Now now I am saying somewhere around, let me turn on the drawings. So somewhere around here, 521. Let it properly come to 521. And if you miss your entry, let it be. Because you need to understand this. Price will, by the time price will come here, trend is going to be super down here. Okay. There would be I don't know about selling pressure, because right now if it gaps down, then yes, definitely selling pressure is there. But you need to understand this, that price is continuously coming down and trend is going in from down to super downtrend. Okay, there is nothing as super down, but it is continuously going in downtrend. Okay, now what you can do is you need to understand price needs to hold above these levels. Please, you need price action for now, at least for now. But if there is a new supply that is formed here, if it, imagine if it gaps down, and comes here, then there would be a new supply that would be formed here. So if assuming there is a new supply that is formed here, then you don't have to wait for this supply to be breached. You can just wait for this supply to be breached by the buyers, and then we can say, okay, buyers are stepping in. Right now sellers are stepping in. Okay, and so can we short? No, you cannot short, because price is actually entering weekly supply, weekly demand. So buying pending orders of weekly demands are being picked up. Why will you try to short daily? And do you see anything? How can you short daily? And if you're trying to short, there are ways you can do it, but again, I don't want to discuss it here because it's too, I cannot just break down everything in like 10-15 minutes, right? But the whole point here is, of course there are quick trades which are available, but I'm just showing you how I operate. Okay, how things work out. So if you're trying to go long continuously, please make sure that you do understand these levels. Okay, and there is a proper trade which is right here in this box. Proper trade, I'm telling you right away. Proper trade. And if this level has been breached, I'm telling you now, clearly let price come back to 505, 506. Please, I'm telling you, if this level is breached, even see, price will not do a free fall. So if price comes down here, breaches this, we should definitely wait for this level 506. Do not go long. Please do not go long. So this is pretty much it. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments below. And one more thing is, the new batch for price action is coming on 26th August. Mark the date. I will share the details. If you're interested, do let me know. Did I say March? No, August 26th, I said, I'm assuming. So August 26th, this day is where we will start the new batch for price action. You can let me know if you want to enroll yourself. That's pretty much it. Don't forget to follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist. You can also follow me on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. And yeah, I'll come back live if I'm required tomorrow. Take care. Have a wonderful night. See ya.